This episode reveals how a woodpecker's skull and its natural dampers inspired a bold building cladding that absorbs and disperses impact across panels. Engineered with alternating hard and compliant layers, the panels convert sudden blows into gentle waves, reducing vibrations before they reach fragile structural frames. Embedded microstructures mimic the bird's hyoid bone path, guiding energy away through precise deformation and rapid, repeated dissipation. Applied to high-rise facades, stadiums, and transit hubs, this technology promises longer lifespans, lower maintenance, quieter spaces, and safer crowds in crowded urban environments. The result is a future where cities learn from a forest's forge and stand stronger, greener, and more resilient for generations.